Hello and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is switching Google Drive to dark mode. Many screen users prefer a dark screen, either due to vision problems or as a matter of preference. Dark mode can reduce eye strain and save on battery usage. Google Drive now has the ability to be switched into dark mode from the Google Drive settings. Let's look at how to switch to dark mode in Google Drive. Open Google Drive in Google Chrome. Click the Settings menu in the top right of the screen and then click Settings. Under Appearance, click on Dark. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.